Hello, how are you? So today in this presentation, I'm going to talk about a particular type of sound in English. But first, let's see which type of sounds exist in English. There are two very distinctive group of speech sounds, which are called vowels and consonants. They differ from each other in many aspects. Let's see some of their differences. As regards consonants, there is some kind of obstruction to the airstream in the vocal tract during their production. But in vowels, the air escapes in a relatively unobstructed way through the mouth or nose. Consonants can be described in auditory and articulatory terms. However, vowels are more clearly described in auditory terms, but there is a system which allows us to describe them in articulatory terms. Finally, they also differ on the criteria used to classify them. Now, let's focus on the criteria used to describe consonants. There are 5 different criteria that can be useful to describe consonants. These are voicing, force of articulation, place of articulation, manner of articulation, and the behavior of the velum. Now let's narrow our description and let's focus on the places of articulation. This criterion pays attention to the different organs of speech or articulators which are involved in the production of consonants. These places of articulation can be bilabial sounds, labiodental sounds, dental sounds, alveolar sounds, palatal sounds, palatoalveolar sounds, velar sounds, or glottal sounds. Let's take, for instance, dental sounds. Dental sounds are produced with the tip of the tongue touching the upper teeth, as in the sound th. As you can see in the picture, the tip of the tongue is touching the upper teeth, and as a result, we get the sound th. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope you have found it useful and interesting. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.